In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run on Windows. This quick guide will take just 5 minutes of your time, but it will equip you with a handy trick that can make navigating and operating your Windows system more efficient. So let's get started with the step-by-step process. First, you need to locate the Windows key on your keyboard. It typically has the Windows logo on it and is usually found in the bottom row of keys. Once you've found it, hold down this key and simultaneously press the R key. This combination is known as the shortcut Windows plus R. It's a fundamental shortcut in Windows that opens the Run dialog box, a simple yet powerful tool that gives you quick access to various programs and settings on your computer. Once the Run dialog box has appeared on your screen, the next step is to type in the letters CMD. These letters stand for Command Prompt, a command line interpreter application available in most Windows operating systems. By typing this into the Run box and hitting Enter, you instruct Windows to open a window where you can type out commands directly. The Command Prompt is a powerful tool that allows you to execute tasks on your computer without the need for a mouse or a graphical user interface. It can be used for a variety of functions, from simply checking your directory structure to executing more complex scripts. This particular tool can be especially useful for users comfortable with command line environments or those seeking to automate tasks. For those unfamiliar with the command prompt, rest assured that it's a safe environment as long as you're mindful of what commands you're entering. As a beginner, try using it to explore simple commands available within Windows. Before we wrap up the tutorial, remember that each time you open the Run box, you have the ability to execute a variety of commands by simply typing them in. Whether it's opening applications, accessing specific settings, or running scripts, the Run box serves as a command center for many of your computing needs. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide on how to effectively use the Run command on Windows. If ever you need a fast way to access the command prompt or any other Windows feature, this method will surely come in handy. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy computing.